Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You first check prerequisites, confirm your MIUI version and carrier limitations, and copy the DNS hostname you plan to use. Now open Settings and tap Network and Internet. This moves you into system-level networking controls. Once inside, you'll see Wi-Fi and mobile network options. Don't change networks yet. Make sure airplane mode is off so changes apply. These steps prepare the phone so the private DNS option appears and accepts the custom hostname without conflicts. You tap Private DNS in Advanced Network Settings and then choose Private DNS Provider Hostname to enter a custom value. Type the exact hostname you copied, no HTTP, / or trailing slashes, because the system validates format. Once entered, press Save. The phone will validate and apply the setting. If it fails, retype carefully. After saving, toggle Wi-Fi or mobile data off and on so the resolver is used immediately. This ensures DNS queries go to the chosen provider. You verify success by visiting a DNS test site or using a diagnostics app to confirm the chosen resolver answers queries. If it's not working, recheck the hostname spelling and that MIUI hasn't blocked custom DNS. Sometimes a reboot clears cached settings. If connectivity breaks, switch Private DNS back to automatic to restore normal service, then try another provider. One key tip: if a carrier or VPN interferes, disable the VPN and test again. Carrier restrictions often cause silent failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.